Welcome to the overview of the Reclaim version 1.1 Smart controller by the Eureka team. To change the current clock time on the unit, just go to the menu button, down arrow, time will be displayed, hit the enter button, and then use the arrows to adjust the time accordingly, and then hit enter when you are comfortable that the correct time is displayed. You can hit the exit button just to get back to the main menu, which displays the current time. One of the important features of this controller is knowing the temperature at the 2/3 point down the tank. So you can see where the black sensor goes into the tank, and you can see the actual temperature there by pressing the middle button. So it says 29 degrees. That doesn't mean it's cold water at the tap. That means it's 29 degrees, 2/3 of the way down the tank. That is a temperature sensor that is used for what's called the T-on setting, which is the temperature that it will come on when the unit is on duty to operate. To change between the different modes of the controller, you've got the two most popular ones, which is option 1. This can operate on duty 24/7 with a main heat cycle at 10 AM. This is popular if you never want to run out of hot water, you've got large demands, you don't have solar power. Option 4 is those who have solar power and only want it to operate during the day when you're most likely to be generating excess solar power. It will come on at 10 o'clock, and although the on-duty period is till 4 PM, it will run for what's needed to do to complete a full heat cycle. So that could be 2 to 4 hours depending on the day, how much water you've used, the size of the tank. To get to option 4, you just go to the menu button, scroll down to option OPTN, go to menu or enter again, and then adjust to go to OPT4 and enter. That's now saved. We can go back to the time.